Hello, my name is Lady Joanna Hoyos. I am 29 years old. I am from Palestine. I live Pitalito. I study agronomy in the University of UNAD. In my free time, I listen to music and watch TV and read a book. My last journey. 1 year ago, I was in the city of Bogota to visit my uncle who was going to get married. Uh, this city is located in the Andes mountain range above sea level. The climate is cool. It is the capital of Colombia. I visited in Montserrat and went on a bike to see some park in the city. I was in Iswar Bolivar and going to canoe the Go mission. My next journey, I am going to travel in Cartagena, the Indias. I want to know the city because it's beautiful and like nature. Mm, I will travel with my mother uh, by bus to Bogota and then we will go to Cartagena. Okay, thank you.